Good evening, everybody. How are you? I hope you will also good. Today, Heaven gave me a test, animal and their baby name. You can see this is all of good.
Yes.
You can see.
This is
And
too
now
big.
asking the all question. Heaven start, okay? Cat baby name.
Kitten.
Sheep baby name.
Lamb.
Horse baby name.
Fall.
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 Dog baby name.
Puppy.
Donkey baby name.
Also fall.
Cow baby name.
Calf.
Calf. Goat baby name.
Kid.
Camel baby name.
Calf.
Calf. Okay. Next, what do we call the baby of horse?
Fall.
What do we call the baby of cow?
Calf.
Calf. What do we call the baby of cat?
Kitten.
What do we call the baby of goat?
Kid.
Cat. What do we call the baby of donkey? Baby of donkey.
Donkey of baby of donkey.
हाँ जी.
Oh, fall.
Fall. Very good. Shabash. Which you wrote, you tell me all of good. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe YouTube channel.
If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Haven't seen you. Thank you.